Hello all, my name is Vaibhav Joshi. In this video, we will see what are test mandates, when and how they can be used. Why test mandates are important? Test mandates makes it possible to divide execution list into smaller packages for individual execution. That means if we have created multiple execution list, so the first execution list will be for our UI test and the second execution list will be for our batch processing, that is overnight execution. If you're working in a multi-user workspace, several testers might execute the test case simultaneously and independently. We can create a test mandate at our own workspace and link it to a test object. Now, we will see how to create a test mandate. To do that, right-click on execution list folder and select test mandate from the mini toolbar. Now, to link the test object, drag and drop the respective test object onto the test mandate. When we link the test object to a test mandate, Tosca commander will create a copy of the test object in the test mandate and it marks the actual log of the test object with a blue arrow to indicate a linked test mandate. Once you have created a test mandate and linked it to a test object, you no longer have to check out the test object to execute it.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.